everybody, my name is Zain and this is Elias and this is Isaac. You might remember him from the last two videos. Remember him? And Elias was in all of our videos. Really, same thing as Isaac. So, welcome to our channel.
What's your channel?
A few days ago, it was Elias's birthday on Sunday. And he celebrated good. He was really happy and he had a good birthday. And now we are going to make cookies for Elias. And he's included as well. This is not a surprise. So now let's start cooking. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button. Okay, let's continue. Now, let's look at the ingredients. So first, we need the food coloring. Red, blue, and yellow. And now, we need the sprinkles. This is optional, by the way. So, if you don't like sprinkles, then it's okay. And here is the flour. Then the sugar.
Yummy.
Then the butter. And now the baking powder. And last but not least, the eggs. And that's all we need to make these cookies. Let's make some cookies.
Let's get cookies.
Yay!
Let's start it.
Let's get started. Good job, Isaac.
Now we need to put everything inside the Thermomix. Elias, do the honors. Dust.
I love this.
And now we need the sugar. Make sure it's fully empty. And now we need the butter.
Bye, butter.
Oi! Oh, there you go. You need to scoop it. Oh. So now we need the eggs. You guys can, I want to do this. I need to do this. No, you're gonna spill.
I told you.
Oh, okay. I hope so.
Now,
We need the baking powder. And that is all you need to put it inside. Now we need to flatten the dough and use the cookie cutters. And you don't need to use the cookie cutters. You can just shape the dough. But doing this, it makes it a lot easier to do. It makes it a lot easier to make your cookie. that we're done shaping the cookies, we are going to put it in the oven. Make sure you get an adult to help you with the oven. Whoa, look, they're cooking. Now that the cookie's been baked, there's only one thing left to do. Eat it! Yes, Isaac, take a bite.
How many stars would you give your cookies? 5 stars. Isaac, 5 stars. Wow.
That's it for today, everybody. See you in the next episode. Catch you later.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out